These wildfires in Southern California are devastating, and our hearts go out to you. Thoughts and prayers, all of it. But disasters are going to always exist. And let me digress for even 1 second. California, you are the United States' greatest and most important and most excellent state by a lot. By a lot. Yes, I'm biased, but for health care and stuff, no reason to get into today, but I would have been living in California years ago. I think it's spectacular. I think the people are spectacular. I think the entrepreneurism is spectacular. From obviously to technology in the north to the movie business, which is the envy of the world, and perhaps our greatest export today in Southern California, and all the sports and all the agriculture tended to by most excellent immigrants. California, you're super. But let's go back to these wildfires. Guess which felonious BS elected candidate, rather than being unifying and helpful, is using this opportunity to sow division, to name call Gavin Newsom, to say, oh, if I were there, you would have beautiful, sweet water. And Trump, it's the same playbook. Don't you remember in the pandemic? The only thing that was worse than the pandemic was listening to Trump. He's an asshole. I know, right? Yes, Bobby Kennedy, asshole number 2, doesn't even believe in vaccines. I mean, we're out of our mind, but California, hang in there. Don't listen to this asshole trying to be divisional. This is the playbook. Step on them while they're down. Name call. Get them to hate each other. Cause more division. We are the United States of America. We are with you. Federal government stepped up right away to be helpful. Donald Trump is a intentionally divide and conquer, divide and take over. He's a fascist fuck. Stay classy, California. This is Hal Mintz in Burgundy. Thank you.